Hey, welcome back to my channel. One day I'm sitting down and I start dreaming about this pie that my grandma makes. Went on the internet, looked for some recipes that look easy enough and similar enough to what my grandma used to make, and I got into work. And I'm not talking about this, rounded fruit pie that you get in the store. I'm really talking about this flat crust with fresh fruit and like a crumbled top. Come with me on the journey of making this great pie. The ingredients that you need to make this pie really moist inside is sour cream. I'm not gonna tell you that sour cream is the healthiest thing that you can eat, but it does have some health benefits because it's basically fermented dairy. It has some probiotics. Because sour cream is basically a fermented dairy, it works as a probiotic. It's good for your stomach and your intestines. What I'm saying is, don't be scared of using sour cream. I think it's a great ingredient to different dishes, sour dishes or sweet dishes. If you really want to get rid of that and get something healthier or less fatty, I guess that's the biggest concern usually for people, is because it has quite a lot of fat, then just use non-fat Greek yogurt instead. It works totally fine as well. But I think the sour cream gives it a little bit of that soury kick, and I think that's what makes this pie really good. Moving on to the last part of this recipe. It's very close to what I remember when I was at my grandma's. It's never gonna be the same, and that's okay, but I'm so happy that I found something that tastes so similar and I really enjoy it, and I will definitely make it again soon. Like you could see, it's super simple. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I see you next time.